Morning, my dear student. Welcome back. Hope you all are in good health. In last class, we learned about Word document and its basic component. Today, we are going to learn about document or how to create a document. First, we have to know about what is document. Document is generally a file that contains text and graphics. OpenOffice Writer or with the help of Microsoft Word, we can open a blank layout of a page. We can start typing with the help of cursor, that is also known as word insertion point, in the working area to create a document. Or we can create a document with the help of shortcut button. So we have to press Ctrl N on the keyboard. A layout for new text document appears on the screen. Then we can start typing. After typing, our document have to save. For saving any document, we have to click on Save As option. It helps us to save a new document with the name in a specific location. To save a new document, first we have to click on File from menu bar, click on Save As, and we can also save with the help of shortcut button, that is Ctrl+S from keyboard. Save As dialog box open. In the file name box, type the name of the document to be saved. Then click on the Save button. While saving our document, OpenOffice Writer automatically put an extension .odt to a file name, whereas Microsoft Word document is saved with the extension of .docx in its 2010 version. If document is already saved with the name, and if user has make some modification in the document, then user had to save the modification also. So we can simply press Ctrl S key combination. The document will be saved. Next, how to close it. For closing a document, we have to click on Close button that is present at right corner of the title bar, that we have already learned in previous classes. Now, after saving and closing the document, we have to open the document. We can open existing document which is already saved in the computer. To save an existing document, we have to follow some steps. First, we have to click Ctrl O from the keyboard. It's open a dialog box. Dialog box appear as. Then in the file name, write your name of the file that you saved, then click on Open button. Your document will be opened. To preview a document, you have to make printout of that. For that, first we have to see the page preview. Page preview option display the print layout of the document or miniature view of how your document will look when it is actually printed on the paper. To view the actual printing layout of a document, click on Page Preview button from my File menu. Layout of document will appear as. Then Print. Print option help us to print a document on paper with the help of printer. We can also make printout of that document with the help of Ctrl P. Ctrl P is shortcut key for printing a document. Then for printing our document, we have to make some setup like page number to be printed on particular page, the range of page to be printed, number of copy to be printed, name of the printer being used for printing the document, etc. Whether to print the paper or document in reverse page order. Then click on the print button. the document will be printed. After printing a document, we have to exit the document. For exit the document, we have to click on cross button from the title bar. Student, hope you learn about how to create a document, how to save it, then again open it, page preview and print. Here are some shortcut keys which help you to fast processing of data. Control N to create a new document. Control plus Q to exit from the word processor. Control P to print a document. Control W to close the active document. Control O to open an existing document. Control S to save a document. Hope you understood about shortcut key and document. Don't waste so much time in front of computer and mobile. Utilize your time in productive work. Thank you for listening me. Be healthy.